something yetsa. Say me jene na se simi soa. Na mara wo bi a she me soma. And so me carry ni simana. Fanto madada no masefura. Wo say so how bi ba me soa. Ninka ise wunku ni Yehowa. Fochie osoro ne asasira. Japan wo ba wa ma me yaira. Umi mabo Yesue. Umi mabo Yesue. Sisi ameshia unyame. Meja bubone, meja me bone. Umi mabo Yesue. Umi mabo Yesue. Sisi ameshia unyame. Meja bubone, meja me bone.
Minutes to 4. Hi, Adom 106.3 FM. Kojo or Beng Berima. And on air, Kasei, Efa and Yomotoso. Yeah, beautiful music. Mami, you know, we're Sunami Famo Aquaba, Ofie Kwanso, so Adom 106.3 FM. And Naya Benada. Tuesdays are special on Ofie Kwanso. What I say? Because Tuesdays, and I nya akonya say yitimi esa ho yare. Yitimi eye ye ho adru. You know what I'm saying? Eti baby I will be a me good afternoon. Na me san ema wa kwaba eba Ofie Kwanso dwumadi enso. Said the only that I know Jumadi a dragu afisabre akopem se bebo enumre no sia. Na de no sia kase bon so atwa so. Muni abema Jerry Justice na Motimi Kain. Na the omo ne se ene akwakoye eye ebnada intino. Ye be mo akonya no. Na watimi afre abadwumadi no so. Confessions. Me pacha wo ba wo mbo di nkyerɛn baabi a wokasa firi so onka nkyerɛ yɛn ne mom asɛm bi a edi unya asɛm bi a etetew ya opesa wo ne ye kye no na wakasa asɛm na kyerɛ yɛn ebetimi abasa ye wo ne wo ma entem wo ne wo nua no ntem asɛm wo ne wo yere ntem asɛm a na wukunu ntem asɛm ɛyɛ obi ne papa ntem asɛm obi ne maame ntem asɛm obi cry on the boss at the office you be on the pastor SMP ni nyina mu no asem ba ko pe na me de aya meka say nyame enam counselor Oscar Siripi eso ye be find a solution to that problem now wonam mu no etimi ba be bia homa na tumu na fe watimi afre na wonso ene de etete wa edi unya no wona ya che quickly fast that can say my proud sponsors Belacqua Active and they also a Christmas about very early na ni nyina ne say ye mo akonya say obetimi enya 4 extra bottles free abribia beto Belacqua Active kane no nanka auto Belacqua Active na instead of 12 bottles no say unya 16 bottles yes for the same old price na just say ye chewa chede na dia ka ho ye di ubro nya no eti bomode na etamu a de kopem the end of January 2021 to betimi I enjoy sa if October mu a de akwa kopem say besi afefoforo no ne boso mi edika ne be ko na wie ye eti bomode ama won san count de me ya tonton nsuo ni ade nna no kwa Belacqua Active no obenya bi ato ewo ho Belacqua Active also stay true to originality wait me follow at Belacqua GH on social media for more information and then so there ye ni dikeke kwa se wo bo wafuru ma na wo tena se se utimi enya enipa bi efi aduane na wudie no ne senti enenei AGI and Ghana Standards Authority akwakofa nhye sonko bi di aba ye ne ye introduce the Obasima seal we a special seal achese nuane awodo na abeto no ye de bi aboho wo koto aduane bia food product bia na hu se Obasima seal no ewo ho pe na ese hu se sa aduane na wokoto no ekura 18 essential vitamins and minerals na chese beboa ama mpom de hu nsem no atimi akoyi e de ama ewo wadidi mu and you always make sure say obeto enuane a ewo the Obasima seal is say Obasima is good for you especially yam nuane mo mai ebo mo yie pa unse omuna obesa for yefunu asan carry mo fra ne ade a ntino nuane nuro ne ade nde omo hia no mo pa so you always look out for Obasima seal from all the food products abeto our market no na timi aboa na bibia so akoyi e de amount choose Obasima stay healthy and stay strong and also won share and no afei dominion about powder eno eboa na immune system no ahode mapa atimi abam eti ene wonum bie no na eboa na immune system na build na strong pa make us say so we obi a high blood pressure how adwen a ehwe normalize no afei heart and kidney related problems in now so if you we adwuma ketua bia na wa ultimate pains or spine mu pa ya na usisi ni ade point na joint ni na tire ya stroke ni diabetes na pampam no osra no pa obomoden bia no na the teaspoon asa dominion about powder ni bi de gun so hiem eno ano no yese mu ya adwukakra na wanom anwume no repeat the same thing bones and saturation kon ebeba owidi mu available ewo mia tonton habanro wo maya fana ba bia wo de wani kiremu na ukona yese e bi ni wope immediately free Dominion Herbal Center Angel Dominion Herbal Center and Koko enomo numbers near 0543 158 195 and our phase 020 429 6449 yebejo so na do bi ohia bia so e dia somo Dominion Herbal powder your number one immune booster afetie say smartphone ba kwa batanwa stylish one pa amount for so Charlie phone pa na when na dada na yehu yes it's about time you change your style switch it up to the best oh now the entire can say best and say cell phone you know your man the best in everything a banner air camera oh the best in the camera game what I say and I feel so best in long lasting batteries and I feel so say yes story yes store there and the storage you know so no just say and one the best because your man big storage pa I'm what me be egu so now some mobile phone and your friend Vivo smartphone yes Vivo smartphone and no any day say abaso your man phone na editwa times near there your money ma it will pe bibia all in one phone there and then Vivo smartphone and you can for Eddie Amao. Obenya there Eddie Fear Johnny Communications on 0244 329 897 and our face so stranger phones on 0244 684 642 na also do bia ohia bia no sa etimi aka Vivo smartphones, stunning design, superior quality and no enho ehye enso no afi asde di on yemfama give us scientific about clinic on also say ne yemo kase se koba se e bia wapra wanya kwanhia pen udompe wo kase ba bibui we obi a we sports person wa bra gusua ye activities no wo pra kakra say won sanem feature ya na won ba bi na bu ye ne ade ni nyina no bra fa bedan ne yemwa na bibia nkoyi osisi wachi kasei ya na how adwe timi tutu a ne ade a fa bedan won so bad breath wow tanya severe headache pa malaria and typhoid how adwe what type bo wa pa ye fa bedan give us scientific about clinic na yemwa your dietary counseling kama why made no ebetimi do afamu a ebeboa no wadi die hunsem awie peyo yitwa massage original papa scan ne lab test how do na ye bi physiotherapy ne de kenka ho nyina bomodia so be hwe ye kira kwan ye wo tashi tribleo ye ben bamboo sport kumase ye wo ordinal kwada so near Christian Service University opese oni edinkita ho a 0240 143 267 and our 0268 215 489 na ye adwuma fi ajoda kopem memnenda efi anopa nonson 7 am ekosi enwenu nsia 6 pm na onye etimi edi nhyiamu ye de omo so asiye pa as dey di on come webcast ye nei ose mo kase se wo eye HIV ana wo 8 ana ebia wo TB na amafo esi atwetwe discriminate ana say stigmatize against you nei emna ma ho kwan sa isa said the 2016 Ghana AIDS Commission Act Act 938 makes it an offense or best stigmatize and also be discriminate against obia or yare bi ati it will be do fast akwan so a any webcast phone kasa na yintimi enkomwa 0302 241 452 ye partners and so any world of ye ni ono so betimi aboa no ama probuno lawyer no wadi wasem no ama wo bomode asa be free 055 623 3494 and of 020 262 7084 obetimi so afre strategy phone so eno 0302 664 785 and of 0302 662 150 na ya hwe kwan ya betimi afa so na so ya boa no afisa situation no emo as they do am from cocoa expert and also boa na ya ready na timi ato so afefe kama pa onim say beautiful skin bia begins with exceptional skin care na skin care product papa ya betimi aka for mo awie cocoa expert yeah no e boa ma skin ya soft smooth na we look fresh all the time it's say rich in cocoa it protects your skin keeping healthy na vitamin E na we so aboa restore asan rejuvenate you dry skin na protecting from the sun rays kama pa so wonderful skincare product here only lotion and your only cream so they are available all cosmetic shop ahodo ni nyinam across the country. Cocoa Expert restores your natural skin. Finally, your first day on a food lovers special fragrant rice. Abusia money a de. Come pa. What to prepare rice dish bia na rice meal bia e koye come pa. Now we know a special long grain rice it create the perfect level of perfume. Ne si jaso sa e tu hwan frefre domo bia sampa. Something is cooking. Now bana be tasting so items sampa where they are very delicious. Etibomodia na enko rely on the usual or regular rice bia. Ma enye food lovers special fragrant rice. E available our shops, stores, new supermarkets. I don't need na atwa ho ahia. Wo ma ya fana ba bia. We no ne adofo a mu kra mu ama da ne den na etimi de ofedi kan ebre wo dwumedi so. Ne mo na akoye Tuesday confessions and they to us. So mama activate phone lines no na ye hwe de won so etete wene ya opese woni eche na ye boa e wo sa kwan so ba cho fra me mbo di nchen e na ba bia free so men ka enchen. Now best to call 0302 216 561 afa 0302 216 562 na ya to aso akoye anim na fi hyebi ehubia no yetimi ahwe na yede egu apon so fefefe kama pa na asen be kwam ni afa afrefo no me fa nche mu ohwampa ema eye tema community 2 total service station what Agri Road former Adom FM nche ho na no in fact mo bo adwuma Minchia manager Julius Bodjuma pa na fe so super James na fe so Mr. Service Maxwell afe bra Paul ono so yetu chairman pa achairman ankasa afe bra Kwame bra Charles tender and afe sister Julie sister Dorcas Abba Fancy Ernestina no afe bra Majid bra Evans Nanado Mr. Paintel Super Hassan afe so Aminu. In fact all the guys over there great guys pa and ultima come to 2 total service station from the mats there on a shop there on and then to alignment organizers service or no more so wash a car and I feel fuel attendants in fact you guys are super Moko Swana Mumbojuma kama pa and found some Ghana mai I was your best say na yafa amount for a friend na ya share and then so and someone do modebe dan first caller hello good afternoon hello hello wow yes I'm trouble hello
hello
me patcho radio no dum kakra na yentimi enton kan yiwa hello wo dey dum radio no why dum radio no to say
I'm Adom
all right me so me ho yen patcho yentie we
me so ma fema ha me family matters bi na me bra pini na ye we nyina ye organ ha say no so to kwan if you my like me ma ministry o nyina about 400 million and I like the two near the man sad their own fenko na onko edwuma na the train never we train na yanka say ahwe na ye dia boy bra okoye nipa o dey dim no no koye no ko be first 3 months na yen tenenka yo na ye dia bobo because na man not my say like odu wo be frem o fa na man e bisi so na aka tintene yen tenenka tie de mpai bon sa na nyame adom betwa be 1 year na fa de so ofe nto ofe na ye ne bon komo how far ni ade ebedu baby na efe na enko o se nipa na odi nani mo ne no koye no sana e fraud wa manu de dia anda anya ni hwe nti e se e sanso e pesika e wo ga ha fe bio e san ye de suma me ge de command e do command say na train e be hu se sana okọ no the first 1 year na okọ na like yenten nka no obi akọ fine ye mpoba ye de se akoye o menfo no so de e be jana like ya fa kwala ne sai bebedu baby no so ya fa kwa onfa akwesi said we yi na adwe afie busia no so onfa busia ni busia ni bibia na se sika na ye kuku man no ebi mi so metimi di bia ko school and then me bra pani ni ono so ko school but na me Adom no oye djuma with the government nti ono ne sika na ya je ni edma no do ko ti sia ye ntene nka ye mo ya wo fe no so ye se ye nya sika ye djuma na etumi di ko school zia on friends ama ye nyina ye hu ni ye be ye hu enti nanka me pese me ne counselor ne kasa ne ye hu ni a ye betumi aya I found se no ane ye the problem me wo
it is say young friend say problem na ne say mode matam abusuan sika de ma ne se nka ontu kwan komra na aja ono so mfa me fie yi na
sure
ono de akoka kwantu mu no ono so a ombu amonye sa
ombuae Tisiana, ama me ma me kwa otwa I say like ono pe no okoyo but ye train ye wasi de bia ye ne kasa say Tisiana ono pe no ye won train ye wasi nti on fa ne say Tisiana ye won train ye wasi ntinti omu ya onya be chichere
me ba o say ebetimi abanso say ampampa okoye nso no eniema nkoyi o a enye say bia e bo apayo
o sample o ma me wo ono no wo only because so twitwi mu kra ne sika wo ne account mu no de ni na edema no do ko iti sample dia o e bia mama de na wa kosi tisi ami hu mama ya mu nti ya be ya ne dan na reka bi rekyerɛ we busuafa wo wechi won but akwa say like okwa no nyama no nkoye no no on frɛ on bi so bia on frɛ bi sa fie kra o and about 3 days ago na me say me so me data na me say so you don't care about me again na me say where from this you yourself you don't even call home frɛ fie bi sa say then eko now me so me phone na be say you don't love me anymore you don't ask of me na me so me be say so friend mama friend maame owo no ne kasa me so me bua no e wo WhatsApp nti za de ya ne zizia me say me so kwa me entertain ni biom
Tinata say eyama munne akra mo ne ntemo e basa
sisi a me bra peni na oyi ni sika ama sisi akwa ye sa bo ni din kwa wo fie kwa na ye say eye ntokwa kra o one me papa kwa sisi ano ai so mo sheda e nkakra o
wow okay eye minu aba ya te wasem no ai
papa
ataisi ebi e genuine ebi on so okono ko abrochi sa na ni gasi ni adi ni ayina chilling ni adi sa na refi so be fi you ebi on so nya ya nko be so me kan ebi on so bra ni di nyonyo hello eba cho wa man so yen kasa wai wow atiafa so anyways eba to aso ye nua baba konso studio ha ono de owo ye nchen wa ha ya tino ebre no so ebe so mic na man na ono nso aka na sem akire na eno so no eduru so a na yitina sem ni wi na as usual na ya hwe de counselor beka afa no so hello yeah good afternoon and pomu to say
Boko
great me patro yenti we
ajo menya abaye bia na kan se anka awawe
we oba na aka say na bema fachem why na nam ka so oba na eka san unti wenyo me ba nyabotre say enye se wuhia obi a na so be wanti one oba bi ehihye ho a opese o why no
that's right and I mean call me now for the many papa kwa me call now for GBA in the answer na papa ni film or my list of my GBA no if you go to phone to listen no how much me any so me hello
meet you pa
but almost a list of much me you be and it's fine inti yesa almost Sandra and yesa call what baby ne oji ade ko na ono onu to ntumi nti just ya ko na ne bra o yes akọ na bra o so they say onu so say just agusi afọ ni nyina ehia ezi ano ya
hello
pota ni nyina ko tiaga nti si ano yehunia ye peze yehunia ye isi anya makuko ko e ta ma ye confused
me ba first list na okoje ye no almost san fe no bra na beje foforo almost
no papa na finiti no almost isu da
okay so mokoje list no ge on papa and I say ge on papa afim and abusuan say list na papa ndi ma na say papa na wuko nti no mo ma list foforo nti beje foforo
almost isu bi in case almost you beje foforo so no mo to so ya call say 4 times 3 times in no akosiaga oboko ye ba fa ka ko ye ba mo Chilisi na ya ta babak.
No me esa.
This ama. Akaya pepe bibia so. Pepe bibia.
Oh, quite unfortunate and the line not drop it, but I think say your message no. Nah. Listen here list. Cuz listen there. If papa no want the banankasa, we put the nyase bia because the father wasn't around. The man was there and give out the list into there or pet say ye de ebegine ba ware no mebo a enti ale na fe papa nyu a mo se ene papa na wudi anti zambe fofo na fofo nso amoto so na e de anso kreni o me ya na atiafa so nzu di se couple so ani wo mu opeso ware abayo ya for ba kon kan na fe yemra studio an me to so from here hello too bad African atiafa so hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Good evening.
Ben might say.
Adom.
You, yentie we.
Me wo rababi wo takradi.
O rababi a
me pese no ware no.
Also woni ni date wo.
O takradi na me ka chenche. Baby o tineta ma so nti o sem current da fufu no na me so wakra me kwa na me tinti ade ombra no buy. Obai no If you live a can and go into quantify, be all condemned. Now, on one Casademo question, I saw no, one I saw from the city. If you are the mammy one who, all kinds of Casanasi, be on the gentleman one and always put your marriage in umbrella name. Nigeria Soroko. Now, so for the bumper, and maybe I know you was all auto full giddy. Now, Miss me, yeah, every feeling. My son Simpson. Because me a baby cry, hey, me a baby cry, hey. 1 minute to get in the bush. 2 seconds in the bush. Hey, if I don't go for a program, I'm not going to Massa. Did you crumple on the person chamber or this spoon? On the spoon number can't plate, you know. Instructions again, maybe mamma. The catching is on Cosa, this I'm the narco tree be shuffle, honestly, the match in the be shuffle. Or to be been the new program, or better mention the massa, catch a cancer, no, on mamma advice me. I shall, some consumer one. If they are Odom walk on. So Massamani.
Beme.
Yeah.
Time one or Tadina or Waka Hande. Now, Unya who says when one.
David.
Inti Okasan current diamond, yeah, also has any omet now on channel. And now, Obetra and I feel a woman who's by a woman.
Yes.
It's the same open so chess. Say, ya pa de. Everyone say, come on, why I don't know the idea of what wrong beat home.
True, very true.
And as I say, so no, what you can't call you and him. I was young until I'm on Quayan Faso man in Conyesa.
Yes,
but young show. Say, see a pie, oh, you know. Your friend said, Unyan Wareno. So if you get the opportunity to end the relationship, and copy, and yes, sir, not just say, or don't you obium saying, Cabe Wino.
David, or don't be him cry.
They say, I can't quite have a fast one, or man and Yan Hontia, and I'm more dissolving relationship, and yes, sir. You, Yatiwai. So said the no Kakona and say, baby Econo, a dibone. Okay. Enti, ya the bepim so ha. Na, said him decanded too many, no. Ya wo yenu aba ba ko ye nchen wo studio ha na ono so e de na sem nam ya be mana akonya na ono so aka na sem no na ye de aka adofo edi hu na fi aka ni na bom na counselor timi abon ba before e beti na sem na busua tie na hye no so say Techno Mobile at the new mobile phone na bedwa so I fe no Techno Camon 16 na in fact phone ya kama pa on the screen, a immersive 6.9 inch full HD screen. You cry dual dot-in display camera. Now, just a phone and the front camera and 48 megapixel dual front camera and a 64 MP ultra quad camera. Come pa. Now, the flash charge, you know, say phone no run it down. Crab battery ni wukura now the C charger. A partial. So as independent near that these days. Say see a na 100. Not just say a ma on our saying. And now wait me store up on the mega 128 gig ROM plus 8 gig RAM. Yeah, just your favorite apps, name movies, ne games, ni nano. Bibia bit me a tratum kama pa ed amount. Bomodia, no man san count the fee techno accredited shops. I would only name one my fana baby. And I'll bit me 12 gig Vodafone data and that's 100 days screen warranty. Any other amazing freebies are attached, so don't get left behind. We on to the next level with the new Camon 16 Techno Mobile for Akofa Ediaba. Samsung Geno Max Ubia baby promotion also go so run it and now with this promo there's no raffle, there's no draw, no wahala bia. Everybody is a winner. Now the obayana say obeto Geno Max promo train unya topa ubetimi we need cash, ubetimi we need TV, mobile phone, blender, rice cooker, ubetimi airtime, ubetimi tablet, any achede p na very simple. So go on, find the special code in every Geno Max Pro tray. Ubeto emubiano. So I say no follow instructions no on how to redeem your price. Not just say una okono. It mean trench cry. Omodi amount san count this is here. Now also wait me every nibi edi akowanim. October is you can catch on that. say Go TV ama TV so aye de ne say ye ma Ghana phone nyina more Ghanaian movies rock GH na I enjoy India 4 series in so ye man was Z World Star Life ne de kan kan nyina no na mo fra no susua de say entertainium ho Da Vinci Kids, PBS Kids, Discovery Family, Disney Junior, Nickelodeon, Jim Jam, and I feel the Ghana Learning Channel for all ages. Samsung ne football papa and they say La Liga Serie A Premier League ne de can we bring in English commentary. Ya bit me I enjoy be we 24/7 entertainment overload for the whole family ankasa. It was more still old Go TV decoder na I inactive no obetwe na we reconnecting with me I enjoy sir entertainment overload here can was obet me connected from as low as 22 Ghana cedis using my Go TV app and now be visit any Go TV dealer or ben or connection to say terms and conditions that touch Go TV leave it love it na bibia so enko yi enfama unim say 2020 ade ba kwa be high adwen COVID-19 coronavirus na de omu ina say and you know akwan tia wabia ba beda ho de amount so so betimi aboa na wa donate kakra e de ato the Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund no emu na yetimi e de aboa omanfo in our community na de omu ina say na Coca-Cola na eboa wo na won so wetimi make those donations ni na and say if free sabre ya kopim June 2021 Abribia beto 1.5 liter bottle of Coca-Cola and now say Sprite and now craft Fanta no the Coke for you and say wo watono anka sikani na be kom no na omo ate sikani bi afimu 10 pesos e de afim na omo de akwa akoto sa fund num eti no indirectly no wo na chese wonso atua wo chefa e de atomu bi no eti abra uguso a wo nom Coke Sprite ne Fanta no na chese wonso u donate Ediato the Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund betimi ediako a long way to help many others in our community. Because na enjoy Coca-Cola, Sprite and afi Fanta na also 10 pesos no ya tete dia tum kakra we no unhunu normal price na wo to anom na no nemum Coke for no so no ahwe etimi ate sa edon edia free sika nka be call mom futu mu no na edia akwa akoto sa futu mu edia abo because na enjoy na also for support na one so be proud etimi aka say yes COVID-19 by also kan manfo a etimi hwe ebo ankofo a omo eka ewo mu yiye pa eho and afin so Airtel to go say welcome off away sonko and they will be kasasa from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. For 6 solid months and opebia free and once be your new Airtel to go sim no make a transaction with Airtel to go money and then you get free Airtel to go morning calls plus free Airtel to go money transfers for 6 whole months. Now you know where you can register on Airtel to go money already and one say over dial star 110 hash. Now I select option 2 then you select free morning offer. Say also with me subscribe for only 2 cities. Now so you know pebia with me share consensus every morning. So go on, buy an Airtel to go sim today. Airtel to go money. Life is simple. Bini aba me mao aha.
Yeah,
it's saying.
I'm Adom boko.
Yo, udini we be free there. You better so ansana. Nemum go straight to the point. Neka chain. O problem ne say o how ne say tia and they would have better chain e studio hey.
Yo, nze betaitie Adom pa. Na me problem kakra na mze ne mitutu na mona me de ababetu mo ni na ma heso mbenya no mwaye amamia me ha onyina ne se ma wo miensa na be ma na me na wo no ba che we frem kakra tama in fact ababo no mu ye den ma me pa ma me je me ho a enje efie nso enibi me force me ho na me de hwa me mai eni ade nti mo na ma na me ko shia obi no se onani je me ho na me ka che ne se bi mo mu de sese no enya de abe ma ho asem ehia me sese because ma for ya mu bebre ma still me go so e fa o ya wo mu nti no nya de a me pese me no obi betena sese no se ya ben na ma fa na me ka me problem nyina kire no nti se me for obi kra na me for obi a obetimi aboa me na metimi afi me ya wo mu kakra no so be try the best se no obetimi ya aboa me bia na me see you mate ti no mfiti ase no na oboa yen kakra ka say fa aduane die mu ne ade because na enye easy edwa me di nyama me ton ka nso na menya na maton se watermelon e beba na makofa bi kese enyan keten because na me person met na ho sa ma me ma no ebedi amia bebre sa ntina ko ba se obeboa yen kakra no na me penisa na me ne to ho no mo a
nti woni ne to onwayo nti ne mpena twe asemu na okay
bana nyam ne net dem me dan ba kumo oba na okọ
ono ba onoko ba wo de onko no no
na enna samu mmemu ma me ni ni ye
it all support we na oba ho ni na oba ya na okọ na ho
nti no sa na bedu maybe na fe ase oya pa ba e wo ho because oya na mas matene ni down nti na fe mo ano na intimi mmase ne sese e ba ni na oya no first because ono boa me but onya mfaso bia wo miso na me ka che de se bia wo mi mo sa ya wo no in free me mo eno nti na me yes and onya ntoboase kakra ma me oso onya ntoboase nkosi da ben onya ntoboase nkosi da ben nti na se nyama bi oye na esoti otete nyama bi so ni ade nti me bia ete dan ka beso ye na nke so support me kakra so ntimi emwa me biam because means onya mo bia emfiri chen ene ade sino ebe tu yen e ma me compare uncompleted house etnem na uncle enye easy mami cry sino be sure afi de ho che ne dos no na me so okay ena me koye family planning na metimi aye ne all kan se ne be ya emwa no betimi abanka kakra de am because me nkwa na me bread do e kotsena ho no mo no did mu ne nkwala ni hwem ni ade no se enye easy family
ebre ni today enko ya nimti ko ya family plan ni wie na fe de one ne kodae
timene ne kodae ba ko pe uncle na because bi se ne kodae wie ye no na no so me san ba nyim fa family plan no
na why family planning no hey
na nyima fam timi me nyame menses all right but I do I'm not nyaba 3 months answer na stop se eba and I'm a check here. I don't see my name afem. Nay, so much mammy. Hey, dear, so many beer.
Almost on baby pregnancy. No,
they be on we
you know, walk implant now.
No, we mammy. The burn of one of my nieces say, Ness you. And not say a house, I miss my family plan. Don't say, my year, and so young as I come to me to me, once say to me a banner. And other than to see a bend situation is here, me woman me pay office come me for rent na daddy. Juma some ni adini na nko yi intino. Na ne yanko say no. Miss nyambia ni bude Mrs. me nya abortion da.
And I now already now o my
3.
Ti eno be kan wa 4. Okay, there every yan shot ni breast anti fast forward no ko ti saying.
Intino sisi no because I'm some be na mama no mentimi because they na de na de no wo me hu is in fact me suro me nya bi dan
it went to me and terminate pregnancy
anye mentimi anye na me say me fa ya no na ma even cramp no so mentimi hwe no na so bimpo ehia bi na so me de be man I think say no mo ye better since say nko koda ko say enye side we ma because me anka say me di kan aye bone deda na me san ko ya abortion asa kan ho no de mami boni mi no sa de mitimi nye te na me wo na me de ache I think say no mom no yes san so bi so hia bi bad den te na me wo de ameni pa kro hia bi no te bi ba ha nyina mi problem nyina no because
o pro bia wo ama no
me bi no aja kwala
edi o ka se akwala ne hye ho
me nya 6 months sia
sa so original kakra me na I say de oto no mi hu ade ni eye said the ordin den so ne kra de na yi hu edi dada and when you are 6 months two probia wo ama say wo a onipa akono de oba no ba to de me wo ama o de di akola no
o ma mi hu akola no crowd on fact because me timi hwe no enka me ma no say we ti cry
enti say be ma no say ono so en
say on de wadwane aja mi o
wadwane aja o
say me nyi dia on do nye ready so bitimi timi hwe dipen be
wi ase ben kra
bia mi hu no me bia mi hu no they say me nim ne me ye bio Into na yes,
oh God.
Because say baby I met na class me kwa ko no kra minya because see I uncompleted nipa no say ready oba bi sisi ni dan me no kola no into me embe nyum embe
also opo bia wa ma no wa ya we so ya fine two timi say the sister ni ho fefe te yi
obi
dey an ba no be fe
so an so opeba me so me sun decide ntina ma kwa
nya obi a watimi che say we as na sometimes we bring nyama bi wa ho te ase o onipa na wa kwa ye family planning mumu no obi so aye wada o pe bi da bia na busumi ye pa on pere o se erade anfa sa ono so ye yi no obi akoye family planning mumu no still adna san aloko
anka me ho chire me mentimi
enye asam ni na e beti ase chale yan connect to counselor na yen hwe de besi but on lady de mo amutie yen no obi she's a very pretty woman we hear about because sometimes e binu person mo ko ba bi kra ko ya adoption ni ade we hear ba bi na wo betimi support no kakra na o hwabofra ne kakra o betra nche mama nufuo na bofra ni nyine du ba bi obetimi ate na wa ne abofra na atra kra na bibisa
me dey say nipa no bom pese me hu akola no kra
na che say wo na don ko nyi na akola no kra
na omwa me
asem no kra san say me
ko enye me bread do
gosh erade asemo I'm receiving some messages near there. They mentioned that Bobo China. I said ABC Aquafa on my phone now. You better call counselor. But before that, to say Vodafone Aquafa Vodafone Red Trader. Ediaba Tio Vodafone Red Trader. Now, when him say it is not easy to be a business owner. Especially say who take control of your business. Wow, share how I never be see Aquafa be monitor sales. Now what taking inventory now one managing customers now it's not a joke. Very hectic. But today there's a little help from Vodafone Business. Yeah, no a bit me aboa pa na onso etimi a manage bibia kama pa. No any friend the Vodafone Red Trader. Na sa app we no e app sonko a Vodafone phone e dia ba. It allows you to manage what I say, ubetimi a record assign monitor sales any inventory easily cry na bibia yemre e the amount ubetimi so receive payment via Vodafone Cash or any mobile money option bia so when you boa motimi stay in control of your business and so go on and download the Red Trader app from Google Play Store now also wetimi I enjoy a 30-day free trial or simply call 0302 334 040 for further information. Hello, Councillor, good afternoon. Councillor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Councillor, na empom to say we. Nya so nyame adom ye ho ye na ensem na ya na ebi hadwen pa. Ene de ensha se mfiri soro. Abrante yi se ni nua pani express interest opese otukwan kwabrochiri na efie nso nye enti omo maame sika a ogbo no kakra da ho 40,000 abusua sika enom kukudi man se onfa tukwan o promise se okona niam atoto yi a ono so behwe na wa be ye fie yi because oni se na chiri nye okoye no omo ntenenkan omu ano mo atenenkan ne ade a chese omo te ya ono obi akora wo abrochiri one ade afede edu ba bi no chese long and short of it nkwa say on frempo na wa check say abusuan po te say na omo maame no kra ode ne sika tukwan kra e ho te say a chese on fie obia nti say ama akofa confusion dia beto abusuan no say ode abusuan dwetire atukwan e de akwa ne hu yi na ono so a omua eti say kra na mantawantawa aba abusuan nyina ene ono so ntemu a omo asisi communication po na ne nua ba yi a ono efre no asem ne ha no a ohunu kwan a on fanfa so ne say ode ato ye nimini
Ele dá me tudo now.
Ati for Joso.
Na osi kan ye ma media amase busia for dia.
Sika ne ne ma media say sa abusuan fan say ono ne nua no mo abusuan yes abusuan tenten die bi na.
Yeah, me say but if the money is for the mother, and ma me dey spend money ba. It's not a family money.
Also omu na dey discuss here to convince the woman say ene onyen sa sika no fa ma no nko with the promise say ono so be ba na
Yes, I get what you are saying, but my point let me personally say, for example, you have a would not the man money back one. It cannot be family money.
Yeah. I understand.
Don't contact me.
Yeah.
So, yes, your man can have a but here, what they pay was to convince that person to okay, they need to from man.
Yeah.
Now, to the wine.
Yeah.
So, along that, it is not seen better than I only communicate, say, Adom and Zone Casano.
I was say it was on social media now recently, or send the message say, Adom, we're Johnny life for man, I whom one you.
You see, there's that communication. What it means is that anything better than you to me. Yeah, out there,
yeah, I was saying it. Say, Abia genuinely. And your man
there are people out there, they want to come to Ghana.
Yeah.
Even tickets go wide. So, and it's easy out there. For me, the fact that you can contact me through social media. Actually, no be any way to me. But sometimes, when you make a promise, and you're not able to fulfill the promise, how? Because when you say, we catch something in the bar, when things don't go the way you anticipated, sometimes one cry, you become disappointed. Say what promise to pay and so I'm saying you also feel say my home. I believe that that's what the brother is going through. Say because he made a promise to them. Now no man calls the way he anticipated, also any part or hammy. All they can do at this moment is to pray for him. Because along the line, if you know, because the back and you quite of call, 1 year, Nipa no din in Guano, now at the end, so they have to really gather more money to send it back to his own family. So all these things, the only thing they can do for their brother is to the man. Because he's not around, only with the castle, your brow, you would say, you couldn't hear, or talk away, you sit down with, and on Castle. That way you have evidence. But the person is not around. And the fact of ultimate about social media means that there's something that is happening out there. You got to be on to me in control.
Yeah.
Say, be at the way and mix it on the connect call it. It will be a neighbor. But I know the promise now why you or promise you and I have to see. And that's all day. So, never go on you. Be a process, they tell me 5,000. If you want to do 5,000. Number one is only 5,000. Anybody back our own place of the moon. Because a young yacht and people will make 5,000 million per man. That's what is happening. So everybody should calm down. I deal with me and say, I'm going to buy money. Or contact your more. Because on the meeting system, in her voice, she's too aggressive.
Yeah, you can sense that in her voice, yeah.
No, they're aggressive. I mean, young Pantini, Obiantunable. No bumper, more brother. Whatever it is, Naku Benadum. But then the two hosts say, yes, if you can't, equal them, a Bemeska, and they will be at China. Some of us we are not going to school because based on the promise in Canada, obey because Obiantunable. Don't vampire more support women. Anytime of the contact in of you, calm down and receive him well. For all you know, he's going through some challenges that be on people be able.
And when they do that, I think say you'll be opened up. I'll bet me I can't do much wrong. Yeah.
It's not the whole starting to him. You should rather open up and understand what is happening.
Yeah.
Okay. So that whatever it takes, no one should be open up. Or then he knows. Yeah. He knows. The person knows. When he said, yeah, Ofie said, yeah, we're disappointing the vision for. Okay, and so because of that, the moment you approach, you'll be on calm down. Receive the person. It doesn't matter whatever has happened. You are a brother. The most important thing to ask is, you are still alive. We are praying with you and for you. Believing God that whatever it is, one day you break through. But the question is, and now the music amount, and the channel, and walk home, and some of us are not going to school. Your brother, there will be tension in the family.
All right, so the next one, I say, only a buy when a shisha crana, or decide as a person or wine, a brenasso, and on any cohu, Nebusian for, and a papa man a list. I na ko de be gina so na akoto ne ho ne ma no abe ne ho ade and unfortunately papa no efimu now after papa no fimu na busua no sign friend say sa list no obeji o abofra no oba ne papa no on fa list ne bra na omo man foforo so or the sa list ne koy hoping so on be man foforo no anom omo de ne ochena na ye nhia wa ha ye ne abusua wi nkohia omo atoso ne sa till now ontimi nya another lister or the begina suit etimi dia koye oba ne ho ade
yeah the winner is the can then mama in the days of the happen on me man send mama or one can mama
wa mama dia ambam yeah
oh so cause can say maybe we have also going to see mama and even the mother is also dragging a feet in there because they show the bien papa dey listen man bien man ka the other angle is say no say in this part of the world there okay what happen okay what so for all you know because it's any papa ni hono aware na kwa ni baba wa na you bia
asemu
yes
but counselor me problem is in the first place no anka sadi we there it comes from the father
me bow say it's a way straightforward
yes
because ni papa no see as no me have desire no the
guy no
ha nti na me kanu but because maybe your tending o baby no obi person delay akwara no aware they happy your families are young man saniba eba be worry eja obi ban worry we need sometimes it becomes a problem other than that the way get straightforward if papa tia or the late nama okay even if the papa he has passed on let's work with the list and papa the man because if we did no we have desire other people no so how come somebody says no let's retrieve that one and then let's go and bring the before and then now they even want to go for the new one they are not getting it and that's what I'm saying in this part of the world you know but and for all you know somebody is sitting somewhere on Pusa Koranbe Wari because it's only papa you know I'm expecting getting my say I'm sorry okay no need the guy no because I don't know the baba na or go through that so that you can lead them and say okay you papa tia no man at least not to know now we want to know the new one that you want to or some of the man on it what I'm sorry because in this part of the world you know there is nobody break also as a counselor and as a pastor no so many things nobody break also be back warrior sometimes no matter we pin and the kitwa but guy means sorry nobody means you only guy any get lady no no more time won't take the power they should be playing a lot because when they straightforward na guy mean ko get any mommy house any mommy tia no ka say mama so no ku wa we no the mind this is what is happening so you person who say ono only be a lady ni papa bushing for ono so that at the end of the day whatever they are talking about you know I'm with the man so that we can move on because it's looking like somebody is trying to delay the lady's marriage and I'm saying it's a man sorry name Paiboa but I don't realize you know whatever I'm applying to me embassy.
All right so the next one on also say oba na one ne hihye wo se on be wai no oba ne tetakrade e no no so tenkran ha ije ase bibia yeku until say oba no eye say ne rent asunti ko be hia sika to rent another apartment and now the bet so and no yes so once I want plans to get married there I ain't be worry obesan call rent ya waste scarce because you worry about better me change the other now move from Takrade now ma me change preko and no more ba ne buy no ba ne bedu no say yes say ne nsem ho na adeketu bia no ba ne buofu oye bibi kro ba say no say necessary oye necessary also odidi kra oba ntime ka no oma atre no bubo plate ni yede it shouldn't be so ni ade na it irritates her just a whole lot you know ohun say oba we mum pa de honestly say nka we ni aware ni pa de a ontimi enent na emenye yi but the problem now is wakwa koyi nanim introduce no oba no to na busuafo no so akọ oba na busuafo amomo say they want to get married it am ohun how to drive her away no can change say ontimi into aso no ne entna bi.
It's better for the breaking caution. It's so big breaking our way. Yes, straightforward. It's better to be breaking caution. So the breaking our way. Now along the line, Mr. So say there's something I heard about that.
Yeah, I'm okay. Say, on suspect say, also who be to say spiritual marriage be on the part of the Obano.
You see, this is where if your cancer spiritual marriage, you know, what's up on the other way found. You see, some of these things when we stand in the pulpit and say things, you know, the psychological aspect of what we are saying, no, see again. So, what cancer soon, you know, what are you doing about it? If you are not ready to do anything about it, you don't talk about it. But the moment you deal and you say, when you say, you know, it means that you are ready to deal with it. And then that psychological, don't say, you know, it's part of being a guy and get action thing that it's psychologically, you know, then if you say, I didn't cause of what's over the be a warrior, it will be this, and be a far angle, and be more. Fantastic. It's in that angle. Say, be why no solution. My point is that the moment you begin to speak that way, you know, you must come to that point. Okay, now say, I want to believe the person. But if you don't do that, and you go and stand in the church and tell somebody, soon, you're worrying, and so what? Then what? Now, the message is very simple. The fact will be bushing, you know. The fact will be bushing in the that don't make the two of you a husband and wife. People should get that respect. In Kofu Ofie say, and this will happen. Ofie say, guy ni mami, guy ni papa ni, guy ni another woman. Guy no be only. It is even if they are being frustrated, because of that, you know, they are not able to break off. The fact say, obi mami, obi papa, obi whatever meaning, you know, does not make the two of you a husband and wife. My friend, this thing will not help you. It is better for you to break a courtship than to break a marriage. And the moment the man is a woman or bar, probably say, I know what I talk about it. Then they begin to have sex. Counselor, where did you are? No, papa, listen, Jerry, there are instances as an officiating minister and as a pastor where one of the partners in the so daily. That day, I'm calling. No, papa, first, I don't know you.
Wow.
Yes. I didn't hear you. There are instances that on the day of the traditional aspect of economy. Somebody cost the home family, so this issue of ni papa ni mami the way I think about the one, who told you? That is why I saw for almost say now you are husband and wife, you may kill the bride. That's why they say that. So all the things that you have done now to this time, number one, gentlemen, one that's what can do. Wow, it's better to break a courtship than to break a marriage. Move on with your life. If papa doesn't do anything, or no, the first time papa it doesn't make the two of you husband and wife. Move on so that at the end of the day you don't regret. It's better to be dissolved than here. All you have to do is to go and tell them that the thing will not come on. Don't let anybody force you to marry.
Okay. All right. So, Counselor, final one. No, Lady Nugusu wa menchen wo studio na minim say.
You see, unfortunately, actually, Ankasa Kaya no. Why you mistake? And she admitted to why born.
Yeah.
Only of them now, to be the catches only of them now. Also, she panic psych. And that's what a lot of people they don't look at. Say, okay, you put maybe the number of per day. What is the person looking for? Am I ready to offer that thing to that person? If not, you don't do it. Also, in her attempt to solve her financial problems, you are getting yourself into more problems. Because she was trying to solve her financial problems by saying, Ubi and show money at the bread. Into money fees a guy, money can't be a channel guy, and the guy said, okay, along the line, I may go out. Yen faso na menya won. Yen faso. So, who be nam? No, I want to say why no, 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 no. Yen faso na ohwehwe. And the guy push here na, okay, whatever she did no. Yeah, you say, and let come with him. There's something you said and you're right. What is a mom out there no, a bit so of a mom, no. No, we shouldn't go on that angle. Blood is thicker than water. Okay, so here and I cut off here. No big trend. So the woman, not the identical idea. What? Which me, you can't. You will be a deal outside the OT. No friends is just okay, Madam Matija was a wookie, the time is a woman. No, dear Quarano. No, dear Quaranico idea. One day, Mother, you are going to answer. Listen, a brother, my young one day we will stand before God and give account of our life. Nobody will escape, nobody. So be catch of escape of what? That belief is a president every man wants to go after degree. So I didn't like that idea when you said, Jerry, say, oh, you are more now, Mupembano. No, be sure the woman, you will be your friend. No. That one, please, we shouldn't go that way. Let's encourage her. He ain't crazy guy, no. Okay? He ain't crazy guy in the bush for. Because he ain't funny talk a woman business here. Now after that guy the guy appears. And says, now I'm here. I'm sorry for whatever has happened. Now I want to compensate you. What happened? They don't finish that line. The guy can come out after what I said him all year, not all year. And the guy says, okay, I'm sorry for everything. I'm compensating you, but my Tofia Mamoni Karania Mukot now. You know, and that can happen. It's a probability. So this issue of now, no, that sounds me and Kokra. Let's release the guy. Yeah, I know what he the bush for what he okay. You go in the bush for this what has happened. Not guy a lady now. Lady now was the only thing. The man is a non papa no you know. You can't bush for what he. Let's do all that. And see the help we can get from the children's family. Say, Mubana, no channel. What can we do? Gano, only now back on another Gano, Minimana, or we Gano, the bush for what he. Let's do that so that we can trace and see people and talk to people. But this issue of, mom who outside the one Mutiano, or woman who has any other day and let the Kupa.
Okay, Counselor. Oh, I want my job to but see a baby and now what do now. August why you query me pesenka yen bizano prekona yen hwe say
the guy no only the bush for
okay enti
the guy ni pie compensating no balance the body we no dey put
a valid point pa enti sister said the counselor can no bema no so unim baby oti
baby oti we few with
and now unim na busuani bia so
na da ne na fofo bi na minim na busia fo kasa de minim obia
ba onim ne na fofo be 1 or 2 bi
minimum na minimum ma ju am so ma chesi o ma isa mu nyina ba block me fro obia amfa
ne na fofo na block you wow
so me be omoti na dan fofo let's pursue that now madam on top of that ukun na ewu ye no me busia for let's trace them and let's tell them that look mo banu ni pa no ne ewu ye no obre the money in yes, be sorry. Not get the bush of person sorry. No, cut a look, or why no, okay, the unfortunately, Nikuna has passed on. Let the family people get up, go to them and say, the dear whatever, Nikunu, our money and some, somebody must get up. We don't do that. Be sorry. Other than that, you know, but in so be a friend, Madam Makaranga, 10,000. Okay, they were number 10,000. Not already woman or they call one day to not got current paper. Why you or see okay, see, I'm not talking about money for now. The banner one. No. And that one is a probability it can happen.
Sure.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because of that, you know, madam, we are calm down. yen show kunu no owu ye no unfortunately na enkwara no yen show the dey hu mo nebusia kunu nebusia fo won ke so nebusia fo no let's speak to people. Almost sorry some go home because of bread. You see, sometimes when you are going through pain, now when you are happy, you make some decisions. Be and Kenya Sanka, you do that. So I'm not blaming too much. You see, the society, sometimes support, because they believe Papa Mumu, my basa. So let's place people. We have the medium. Let's call people. Let's see how we can go to somebody. Hey, I'm being sorry. No one can Quran, so that the woman will have to leave. So at the end of the day, it doesn't become a problem. Madam, I cannot show you.
All right.
You don't know what that child is going to be tomorrow. Cristiano Ronaldo and Kanima Messi or Abortino. Cristiano Ronaldo and Kanima Messi or Abortino. Shesika or their bread as Rafia. The money people have made because of that guy. The blessing that he has been to the whole world and his family. You might not know what that child will become tomorrow. I know, sir, you are going through pain. I know it's difficult. But that decision also will be bound. No, don't take that. Let's try and see. So then who will be, then we speak to them. Make a crown, Jerry. Will be in you. Also, see, guy, no need to be media. How do you go and study? You're already study. How do you go and open your legs to somebody only negotiating? Yes, because the issues only 1 month. You need only 2 months. Only 1 month, so how do you want somebody who's taking care of you and you don't even ask yourself, okay, who's your phone on him? Can I speak to somebody? A lot of people are doing that. Not only she saw the this year, that they don't know the uniform in the maker. When you've been more, please make sure so only media and the for. And this issue of the mayor man, dear now also, dear pastor, are you saying it only about Namor? The only pastor being a thing was only better. Is that what you are saying?
On Sharon, so councillor, that was a we in so party. Yabashana said the Oka and Yana to us from here. You said the Beno. Yeah, that's a pirate. All right, Abusia, a brand of court. Papa Bills, Money, ye sister, Monya Nafi, yes, we and come more this idea, yet twasso. Quickly, we know there, and they said, I know, Membosu, to Nafi, Yamfa, I get sports no, and twasso. Nina say MTN Post and Chill no, and they and once over Coswa, no, gather points now, and what Coswa, and Chese, or favorite Masha bundles no, star 567 hash. Now, where you go now, say on the MTN app, now bet me 5,000 Ghana cedis, food and shopping vouchers, now fee. Data bibli na temwa copy me at the end of November 2020 because na a mashup no wait me large pa MTN Pulse just be we there for you everywhere you go. The new techno come on 16 also no ejinamu pa yedi kan catch that phone no features na one day just subi mada but what the amount san count the techno accredited shops ahodo ni nyina mu nationwide now bet me 12 gig Vodafone data and 100 days screen warranty any other amazing freebies our brown side account there, and so don't get left behind. We on to the next level with the new techno come on 16 and now feel so Cindy